Do you have plastic nipples and feel unsure if you will be able to breastfeed your baby? Have you heard that plastic nipples make breastfeeding impossible? Oh, are you scared your baby won't latch or get enough milk because of your nipples? Today, you are going to learn about how to breastfeed successfully even if you have flat nipples, practical tips that actually work, expert tricks used by pediatric nurses and lactational consultants, and how to feel confident feeding your baby no matter your nipple type. I am a registered pediatric nurse with over 3 years experience working in the special baby care unit. I help new moms every day from labor to postpartum care, breastfeeding, and even kangaroo mother care. I started content creation as a complete beginner, just wanted to educate and support women like you, especially first time mom. That makes me remember one of my patients, Aisha. She just had her first baby. She was so excited to breastfeed, but the moment she tries, her baby couldn't latch because she has a flat nipple. She felt frustrated and thought something was wrong with her nipple. She wanted to breastfeed naturally, but she had flat nipples and didn't know what to do. Until we showed her a simple trick we use in the hospital. Then she tries again using that simple technique, and guess what? Her baby latched and fed like a child. Now Aisha is exclusively breastfeeding her healthy baby and she is so proud. Flat, inverted or pointy nipple come in all shapes and sizes. It's completely normal, but understanding your nipple shape early, especially during the 3rd trimester, can help you prepare for breastfeeding. Let's go through what you can do before and after your baby arrives to make things easier. The first one is understanding your nipple shape and why it matters. Flat nipples are totally normal, but they can make latching a little bit harder for your baby at first. That's why it's good to start gently stimulating them in the 3rd trimester. It helps you prepare your nipples and can make breastfeeding smoother when baby arrives. The second one, try nipple stimulation before feeding. Before each feed, try gently rolling or pulling your nipple between your fingers for a few seconds. You can also use a warm cloth or hand to express a little milk first. These little tricks help your nipple become more prominent so your baby can latch better. The next method is use breast shells. Breast shells are soft silicone. I will drop the picture here. Soft silicone tools you can wear inside your bra between feet. They gently pull the nipple out over a time, which is super helpful in the early weeks. You can check the link in the description to get one at a discounted price. For breast shell, try this DIY method with a simple syringe. If you don't have access to breast shells, here are simple tricks to follow. Take a 10 ml syringe, cut up the pointed area, up the pointed tip with a clean razor, remove the plunger, then insert it backwards through the cut end. Gently pull the smooth part of the plunger to draw your nipple outward. It might feel a bit uncomfortable at first, but many moms says it helps a lot. Just be gentle with yourself early. You don't have to do it alone. If you are still struggling, talk to a pediatric doctor or pediatric nurse like me. One-on-one support can really make a difference in your breastfeeding journey. You can book a private session with me. Details in the description below. The latching technique pediatric nurses used to use for pain-free feeding. I put the link in the description below. If you are struggling with latching or nipple pain, or you are just not sure what to do, don't panic. Help is here and you are doing an amazing job already. Download my free ebook on 3 mistakes every first time mom makes. This book is a game changer and it helps a lot of women to breastfeed comfortably and confidently, even with flat nipples. I will drop the link in the description box. See you in my next video. Bye bye.